Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we'll guide you through configuring the external database integration in Dalfin's workflow. To begin, drag a UI trigger into the workflow and provide a meaningful title and description. Then, select the required method, menu, and window, and specify the location where you want to configure the workflow. Next, navigate to the third-party integrations section and drag and drop the external database integration. Assign it a relevant title and description to maintain clarity within the workflow. In the Settings block, select the appropriate database type. For database configuration, you can choose to set it up using static values, variables, or by carrying data from other nodes. Provide the necessary details, including host, database name, port, username, and password. Click Test DB Connection to verify connectivity. Once a successful connection is established, enter the query and click Save. Connect the nodes accordingly and proceed to publish the workflow. Finally, click Run to execute the workflow and verify its successful execution. You should see a confirmation indicating that the workflow has been successfully executed. Thank you for choosing Dalfin.